Hey guys, thanks for watching, and now let's talk about project selection criteria. But before we'll discuss all of the work involved in successfully managing projects, let's see what happens before a project is initiated. All departments and persons in your company present management with requests for different potential projects, and all will require an investment of corporate resources. To keep in mind that the organization has a formal process to review and analyze potential projects, and we need to select those that best aligns with the strategic goals of the organization. A project manager is not typically involved in project selection, and therefore, perhaps you will have a question. So why do we need to know details about that? The main reason project is selected and the value it is expected to bring to a company indicate its significance to the company. The project manager should know if the project was selected because it will establish a new area of business, if it is being implemented to meet requirements, or if it was selected because it was least expensive or most feasible solution to a problem. The reason a project was selected can impact with constraints are most flexible, and knowing that information will influence how the project manager plans and manages the project. And it's very important for a project manager to keep this reason always in mind throughout the project to ensure the objectives are achieved. So we have different selection methods, but understanding these methods is not as important as knowing that such activities occurs prior to initiating a project. Benefit measurement and constraint optimization are two categories of project selection method. So first of all, we will talk about benefit measurement methods. Benefit measurement methods, also known as comparative approach, include murder bird. Don't be afraid, it's not a group of killers. It's just a panel of people who try to shoot down a new project idea. The name murder bird comes from the fact that these members actually want to murder the whole idea. Their approach is to conduct the most needed acid test for all such ideas or concepts. If the presenter can successfully defend and answer their questions, then the idea or concept passes the Murderbird test and goes to the next round of review. Thus, the Murderbird achieves its objectives of only passing or selecting good ideas and concepts. The next one is peer review. Peer review is the method of project selection that you use to validate the project with the help of peers. It's a group of experts from various areas, but unlike the Murderbird, this group is not as ruthless in reviewing a project. Next one is scoring models. Scoring models is an objective technique. The project selection committee lists relevant criteria, weighs them according to their importance and their priorities, then adds the weighted values. Once the scoring of this project is completed, the project with the high score is chosen.